are at Wild Kumaon. Beautiful property. Lots of birds we have spotted here. Area is quite big. So tomorrow we are going to have birding trip, but here itself we are able to spot so many birds. See the property. I'll show you the drone view as well. But if you see, there is one small height there, but it is not being operated right now because of the forest government's strict rule. Here just is going with 200, 500. This is the entry for the Wild Kumaon. Let's spot some bird. Really in the property itself we are able to spot so many birds. Smita is doing some photography. This is the place for breakfast and lunch dinner. And go down. I'm not talking loudly because lots of birds are there and I don't want to fly them away. One can sit here also and can do bird watching, bird photography. There is one big area. Overall nice, cozy, relaxing stay here in the lap of nature. Just listen bird voice. So this abandoned hide, earlier it was operational, but because of the forest government this hide is abandoned now. But still we kept our chair here and we were just waiting for the bird because there is a water body, small water body, and we saw so many plum-headed parakeet. I'll show you the video. You can see the video in our Sattal cinematic video as well. Here I'll show you the quick glimpse of the plum-headed parakeets video. It is spread across around a 3-acre area and well maintained. Rooms are reasonably good. Food, we really liked it. Today in the breakfast they served aloo poha and it was really good. And for lunch it was not able to remember, yeah, dal fry and paneer. And for dinner today we have a egg curry. Everything is like, the food taste is really good. I really liked it and I really recommend Wild Kumaon's food. And just see the beauty here. Little bit foggy. It's May month and still we are like, it's a kind of chilling temperature here. Just enjoying the weather. So feel free to consider Wild Kumaon for your Sattal visit and bird photography, bird watching. Beautiful property, lots of bird you'll see in the property itself.